What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we are out at the Rudy's Barbecue car meet. Came here super late, came straight from work. We got the turbo GT3 rolling through. But a lot of cool cars here. Let's get looking around. We got a Hellcat Red Eye pulling in, and let me know what your favorite car in the video is today, guys. And let's get to it. So we got the Rat Rod here, twin turbo setup. What the heck? That's wild. We got the turbo GT3. Now is this a diesel motor? Nice. Got a bunch of other cool stuff over here. Look at this old Corvette, man. This is nice. You know, you gotta have the full plaque for it. Oh, this is sick. That's like the whole story behind it. So it's not real sure what the backstory is here, but yeah, there we go. Old Chevelle, Bel Airs. Oh, that's nice right there. Firehawk. Hey, parked right next to your boy. And we got the C7 Z06 right next to your boy in the C6 Z06. Ooh, two totally different design languages in these two cars right here. Totally insane. It's that boy George. The old school vet here. I think this is a Nova? Look at this paint. What the heck? This is crazy. I don't know what this thing is, but it's kind of cool. It's the Speed Core carbon fiber body GT350 with a Whipple supercharger. Yeah. This is so cool. It's a SEMA car, right? Yeah. Cool, cool. This car was once built for SEMA by Speed Core. Definitely crazy to see it out. The whole body is carbon fiber. Kind of hard to see as it's getting a little darker, but definitely sick to see. All right, the carbon fiber GT350 is rolling out. Look at the stance on the CTSV right here, man. That is a clean four-door right there. Over here we got Tesla gang. We got 4 Model 3s. Oh no, it's 3 Model 3s and a P80D. Nice. Her plate is, oh my god. Oh my god. I like these Z28 replica wheels on the SS, man. Woohoo! All white GT350. That's nice, man. Supercharged Z28. Sounds pretty crazy. That thing's moving for what it is, man. Yes, sir. That blue GT3, that's sick. Any people? Yes, sir. He said he's gonna make sure he gets the turn first so he doesn't take out any people. Yes, sir. Got the Rocket Bunny Civic hatch. Grandpa booking it. He slid the F-150. Yeah. He said, "You guys ain't ready for this." He had 3 whole kids in his passenger seat. Harrison, send it. I'll see you there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, in this old Cobra right here, we have an LSA. And let's swap the world, boy! Check out this color on the GT3, guys. The satin blue, like a metallic flake in it. It's a sick color. Let's check out this crazy rat rod thing. Look at the turbo setup. That's nuts. And then these tires that are like, what in the world size tires are these? Sheesh. And then there were fewer. We got the turbo GT3 next to me still. So we got this supercharged Mustang right here. Look at the size of this Paxton blower right here. That's nuts.
Give a 5-star. I do sometimes, but you gotta go way out. And I'll tell them, to be honest with you, when you guys price me for a 2,
got a track hawk rolling out. Ooh, that sounds good. Listen to that. That sounds so good. George, you're nuts! So we're gonna go for a little ride along in the GT3. That sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's like very crisp and like it's not like, I don't know, it's very pleasant to listen to.
It has like almost like a note of like an F1 car, like just like little hints of it.
I mean, it has,
but a little more bassy.
They tuned it to sound like the Cup car.
Yeah. Sound is so good. That sounds so good. Now, what exhaust did you say this was?
JCR.
JCR.
They're from the UK.
Okay.
I can just show you right here. It's fine. But yeah, they're from the UK. I think.
Yes, sir.